Hey everyone, welcome back to Celeb News Connect. I'm Sandra, your go-to for all the buzzworthy headlines, only this time we're diving into some exciting news that's shaking up the world of artificial intelligence. If you've been following tech trends, you'll know AI isn't just a futuristic buzzword anymore. This week, the AI landscape has gotten a major upgrade, and today I'll break down exactly what's happened and why it matters, not just for the tech world, but for all of us. Let's go straight to the biggest headline. OpenAI has just released two brand new models, and honestly, this could be a game changer. On April 16th and 17th, OpenAI launched the o3 and o4-mini models. Now, you might be wondering what's special about these models in a world already brimming with AI tools? Well, here's the lowdown. The o3 model is described as OpenAI's most advanced reasoning engine to date. That means it's not just spitting out information, it's actually synthesizing, evaluating, and presenting much more thoughtful, human-like responses. What really sets o3 apart is its enhanced ability as an AI agent. It doesn't just answer questions. It integrates with web search, can run Python code, generate images, and even analyze visual information. The standout here is what they're calling thinking with images, so the model can interpret and use visual cues as part of its reasoning. Imagine uploading a photo or a graph and having the AI not just describe it, but actually use it to answer complex questions. A real step forward in what's called multimodal AI, and something that bridges the gap between how humans and machines process information. Meanwhile, o4-mini is built for speed and cost efficiency, meaning businesses and individuals looking for an AI on a budget get access to seriously high-performance tools. And it's not just lightweight for the sake of it. Benchmark tests are showing that o4-mini is a powerhouse, especially in domains like mathematics and coding, where precision and reliability are crucial. Early user feedback is highlighting just how impressive these models are. But as with any major leap forward, there are already questions being raised about privacy, especially with the advanced image analysis features. And the releases didn't stop there. OpenAI also dropped Codex CLI, a brand new open-source coding agent designed to help developers supercharge their productivity. With Codex CLI, programmers can whip up scripts, automate tasks, and troubleshoot problems faster than ever. This move is clearly aimed at making AI more accessible and practical for the next generation of builders. The tech world is abuzz with reactions. OpenAI's president Greg Brockman even called this launch a GPT-4-level qualitative step into the future. That's a bold claim, but early benchmarks seem to back it up. The o3 and o4-mini models are pushing the limits of what AI can do, especially as flexible agents that can tackle tasks from web research to image interpretation and coding. But OpenAI isn't the only player making waves. The entire AI industry is racing to raise the bar. Google's newest release, Gemini 2.5 Flash, focuses on budget-friendly access to powerful AI, while Microsoft is getting major praise for its Copilot Vision feature, bringing advanced visual reasoning and summary capabilities straight to Edge browser users, and Cohere's Embed 4 is making AI search tools for big enterprise data way faster and smarter. That means competition isn't just pushing the tech, it's making these innovations accessible to more people than ever before. So why does this matter to you? Well, AI-powered agents that can think, interpret images, and automate tasks are set to revolutionize far more than just tech companies. Think about healthcare. AI can now help doctors analyze medical images side by side with patient data for faster diagnoses. In education, students will have AI tutors that can actually see and walk through problem sets visually and mathematically. And for anyone managing large amounts of information, these new models can find, summarize, and even act on data across the web or private files. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Privacy advocates are already flagging that advanced image reasoning makes it easier to identify people or objects without consent, raising big questions for legislators and users alike. Ultimately, how companies and governments handle these concerns will shape public trust in the technology. Looking ahead, as AI becomes more agentic, meaning it operates with more autonomy and can manage increasingly complex tasks, the line between simple automation and true digital helpers is blurring. We're not just talking about robots that can answer questions, but smart agents you might trust to handle everything from trip planning to legal research to cybersecurity. So, what can you expect next? Experts are predicting full-scale AI integration across healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and even creative industries within the next year. AI won't just be a tool you ask questions, it'll be an assistant, a collaborator, maybe even a teammate. That's your deep dive into this week's groundbreaking AI news. Has the future arrived sooner than we thought? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you see yourself using these new AI agents, or are you worried about the risks? I love hearing what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you want more tech and celebrity news breakdowns, subscribe to Celeb News Connect so you never miss out, and hit that notification bell so you're first in line for every hot headline we drop. Share this with your friends. Let's start a conversation about where AI is going next. I'm Sandra, and I'll see you in the next video.